quietly now and let him go. You don't want this. I'm sure they got some tricks, but Jorbiel got this. Notice that truck stopped earlier when we stopped them. Very suspicious.
Look over there. They are coming.
I see. Several Garanoid clones trying to sneak on us. This should be quick work. I'll handle these goons. Confident with your numbers, huh? Let's go. Right here.
Sorry we had no proper intro. I'm Excalibur. The Sapien is Exus, and the weird ear guy named is Jorbiel. I need your friend's name to finish this process. And you are... I am Alexon, and my boss name is Jim. May I ask, what are you doing there? You worry too much. I'm trying to rescue your friend. Nice. His DNA code and info is on file, and we are close enough to teleport him here. We got him.
Thank you. Can we leave now? We got some research to do on this trip.
Just leave, my friends. You're just silly. The officers are on their way to take these thugs. It's kind of strange for them to take this long. Feels like they were distracted.
That was fun. I know you prefer not to babysit. You're next.
Yeah, right. I was wishing for Alexon to transform into a monster, so I can have fun bashing him like a true warrior.
You two have been warned.
Sorry, I'm coming with you. Just die.
You're wide open.
Slow. Piece of trash. Don't wink at me, Oginoids are not my type. My turn. Ha ha ha.
Wow! Where did that come from? Ouch!
I'm a no pushover like Dolda, you prankster. Once I get my hands on you, I will crush you until you die.
I think your friend needs help.
We're not worried. Ouch!
Time to fry you until you die, Agent.
No, I'm not married yet.
No. Way.
Dolda has Psy-alien parts installed in him. This may be a problem. Should we assist him with this issue? This may take him a while.
I think it would be wise to allow him to redeem himself. Jovial may feel unsettled if we decide to assist him.
Enough of his pride. Can we make it quick? We'll be late for the museum.
It's personal. We'll let him get his redemption. I trust he'll follow through and get the job done. You might be slow, but you're really tough. Psy-alien parts, huh? This is going to be tricky. Whee! Whee! Oh, yeah.
You are under arrest. We are now teleporting you to the prison.
Good job, Jorbu. We have 7 minutes to get to the museum, and we are 55 miles away. With the phase car, we'll be there in 3 minutes. Let's go. You see that button on the left of the screen there? Yeah, the subscribe button. Hit that. Ring the bell for notifications.